So in this video, I'm gonna show you how I make an insect repellent for mosquitoes using mugwort. This is a vegetation that is found in North America and indeed all over the world. This variety is called Artemisia vulgaris. I'm adding also some spearmint leaves from my backyard. This will make the ointment more fragrant. So you have to rinse the leaves well. Ironically, a small insect like aphid can be on the leaves themselves, so you have to wash them well. Now you have to dry the leaves. You can sun dry them or you can use a dehydrator.
After a few hours,
Dehydrator will make quick work, otherwise you have to leave the leaves in the sun for 2 or 3 days. So after they dry, they'll look like tea, kind of shriveled up. And then you put all those leaves into a cup. I use a 16-ounce cup, and then I pour olive oil onto it. You can use vegetable oil if you want to, but I want good stuff in my ointment, so I use olive oil. This oil or balm can be used for about 6 months, so they'll keep for 6 months. So I soak the leaves in the oil for about a week, and then I use a coffee filter to filter out the oil, and then I'm going to add beeswax to the oil, and the proportion I use is 6 part oil to 1 part beeswax. So basically it's 6 tablespoons of oil to 1 tablespoon of wax. So you can make any amount and just proportion it that way. This 2-pound bag of beeswax is about $20 on Amazon. So this will make many batch of salve or balm. So I'm gonna put the wax into the oil, and I'm gonna use a pan and heat up the water, and then put the cup into the water to melt the wax. It will take about 60 degrees centigrade for the wax to melt, and then you just pour the melted oil onto a container. It's better to use glass or metal cans. That way the hot oil wouldn't melt any plastic. So about 60 degrees centigrade. So generally the proportion is 6 part oil to 1 part wax, but this is not set in stone. If you live in hotter climate, you might want to add a little more wax because everything will get melted. And in colder climates, you might want to use less wax so you can put the salve on your skin easier. So after cooling, it will look like this. This is almost like 80% cooled. Yeah, you can squeeze out the last drop in the coffee filter with your hands, and then you can make another batch. The insect repellent is also a salve or a balm. If you get mosquito bites, it'll help heal or make it less itchy.